Hey, on this episode, we're going to talk about 3 tips for new beard growth in your first week. With that said, let's get right into it. This is your boy B, and welcome to another episode where the truth lives here. For some of you guys, you're like, man, what happened to your beard? If you haven't checked out the video where Toya Cuts shaved off my beard, please go watch that. It should be here at the top or down in the description. For everybody else who've seen it, this shouldn't be nothing new to you. This is what we're here to do. I'm here to help you guys on your journey. That is my job. That is my goal. So I'm going to give you these 3 tips. Tip number 1, you're going to need these core beard care tools. Beard wash, because you want to make sure you're cleaning. Even though you still got some stubbles, it's very important to start off on the right foot. The same with hydrating your beard. You're going to need you a beard hydrator, because even though you got some stubbles, they still need to be hydrated, because they're going to eventually become the oldest part of your beard, and the tips of your beard, typically you're going to find a lot of split ends, a lot of cracks, a lot of damage. So why not already make sure that they're healthy at the beginning? It's like having a newborn baby. You're not going to wait till the baby is 25 till all of a sudden you're going to start feeding the baby healthy food. You're going to start right now when they're first born, so that way they had healthy habits and then they grow up a very healthy human being. And the last tool that you can use as well is the beard oil. A beard oil is going to help with soothing and softening that new growth, because that new growth is going to grow in and it may be irritated for some of you guys. And some of you guys, you want to make sure that that new growth looks good, so that beard oil is going to be great for just soothing and making sure that your beard looks nice, and it helps to seal in that moisture. The second tip that I want to recommend you is getting an exfoliant or a beard scrub, or scrub. Scrub, exfoliant, it's the same thing, tomato. And this exfoliant is going to be very important to your beard journey, because you're going to have a lot of dry skin, you're going to have a lot of irritation, right? So you got to remove that dry skin, because that can trap a lot of bacteria, a lot of fungus. That can cause a lot of problems, a lot of bumps, right? It also can cause some infection. And then on top of that, the dry skin can cause the ingrown hairs, where the hair will grow right back in, and they get trapped under the hair, and they grow right back into your skin. So you want to keep that clear. And then again, for some of you guys, you might get some dry spots around your beard. Well, that's dry skin. Exfoliate and get that out the way. All right. And then, you want to make sure your face is looking nice and polished. Again, I'll have that in the description, or you'll see a link somewhere, but check the description. Okay. And the third and final tip, guys, you got to be realistic, man. You got to be realistic about your journey. You're always focusing on the end, but you're not focusing on the present. Be present today. Who cares about 7 days? We will talk about that when it gets here. Who cares about 30 days? We're going to talk about that when we get here. But right now, we want to make sure that we take care of what our beard looks like presently at this moment. All right? And that is being patient, fellas. We have to practice being patient on this journey. I know it's going to be tough for some of you guys. You got a new look. It's feeling irritated. It doesn't have that fullness for some of you guys you might be used to. And then some of you guys may be struggling just a tad bit. But be patient. Okay? This is your boy B. I hope this helps you. I'm looking forward to your journey. Again, I'll be placing my journey on my stories, so you can go and check out my stories. You can see how I'm eating. You can see what I'm drinking. You can see just my mental state, because this beard journey is a mindset. It's all about this. It's not really about this. All right, guys, please check out my other episode, and also please check out the previous episodes. I'll see you guys later. I'm out.